How to start your event catering business from home for weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. Welcome to Home Business Startup Series. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own event catering business for weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to launch a successful catering business tailored to your market. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Understand the event catering business. The first step is to understand the catering industry. Research your target market. Are you catering to weddings, birthday parties, or corporate events? Identify the common food preferences in your area. Understanding your market is the foundation of a successful catering business. Identify the types of events most common in your area. For example, weddings are grand events requiring elaborate catering, while birthdays and anniversaries may be smaller but equally important. Research customer preferences. What dishes are staples? This knowledge helps you tailor your services, ensuring you're meeting market demands while creating a niche for your business. Step 2. Develop a simple business plan. A solid business plan is your roadmap to success in event catering business. Outline your target audience, services offered, pricing, and profit expectations. For example, will you focus on small intimate gatherings or large events? A business plan keeps your catering business focused and goal-oriented. Begin by defining your target audience and services. For instance, will you specialize in traditional Nigerian dishes or provide a mix of local and continental cuisine? Include pricing strategies by factoring in ingredient costs, labor, and profit margins. Assess and compare the cost of bulk purchasing at the open market versus local suppliers. Also, include a marketing plan, identifying platforms like Instagram or Facebook to showcase your work. A clear plan not only guides operations but also helps secure funding if needed. Step 3. Equip your kitchen. You'll need essential tools and equipment to handle large orders. Invest in large cooking pots, baking trays, serving dishes, coolers, knives, cutting boards, a gas cooker, and utensils. Don't forget to include storage containers for preserving leftovers. To handle event catering efficiently, your kitchen must be equipped with the right tools. Invest in heavy-duty cookware like industrial-sized pots, gas burners, and coolers for food storage. For example, if you're catering for a wedding with 200 guests, you need sufficient capacity to cook and transport large quantities of food. Don't forget smaller essentials like tablewares and serving spoons. Proper equipment ensures smooth operations and reduces the risk of delays or mishaps. Step 4. Learn portion control and menu planning. Portion control is critical in event catering. Create a menu with popular dishes, and ensure you know the right quantities for the number of guests. For example, for a 50-guest event, plan for about 8 kg of rice for jollof rice. Portion control directly impacts your profit margins. Knowing how much food to prepare prevents waste and ensures customer satisfaction. If catering a 100-guest wedding, calculate precise portions of jollof rice, chicken, and side dishes. Create a menu that balances popular dishes with cost-effective options, such as soups or stews using local ingredients. Clearly communicate portion sizes to your clients during menu discussions to manage expectations. Proper menu planning also helps streamline ingredient sourcing, saving time and reducing costs. Step 5. Source fresh and affordable ingredients. Partner with trusted local suppliers for fresh ingredients. Bulk purchases save money, so focus on staples like rice, oil, spices, and meat. Build good relationships with your suppliers to negotiate better prices. Building relationships with trusted suppliers ensures consistent quality and fair pricing. For instance, you can establish a rapport with local farmers or wholesalers for fresh produce and bulk items like yam or vegetables. Make deliberate effort to purchase non-perishables in bulk to save costs, but ensure proper storage to avoid spoilage. Diversify your suppliers to reduce risks. If one source is unavailable, you can rely on another. Consistently sourcing high-quality ingredients not only pleases your clients but also enhances your business reputation.
Never waste my time, you are I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Even when working from home, you need to comply with health and safety regulations. Check your local government requirements for catering businesses, such as food handling permits and hygiene certifications. Even a home-based catering business needs to comply with local regulations. This ensures food safety and builds trust with clients. For example, you may need a food handler's certificate, kitchen inspection approval, and possibly business registration of your country of residence. These certifications demonstrate your professionalism and give clients confidence in your services. Ignoring legal requirements could lead to fines or closures, so invest time and effort in obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. Step 7. Market your business aggressively. Marketing is key to attracting clients. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your dishes. Take high-quality pictures and post testimonials from satisfied customers. Attend community events to network. Marketing drives sales and builds brand recognition. Use platforms like Instagram, where you can post mouth-watering photos of jollof fries platters, birthday cakes, or wedding spreads. Create a simple logo and branding that reflects your catering style. For example, you can distribute flyers at local events and WhatsApp status updates to reach a wider audience. Partner with event planners and decorators to gain referrals. The goal is to create visibility for your business and keep your order book full. Step 8. Start small and scale gradually. Begin with small events to build your reputation and gain experience. Gradually scale up to larger weddings and corporate events as your confidence grows. Starting small allows you to gain experience and build a strong foundation. For example, you might begin by catering family events or small gatherings of 30 to 50 guests. Focus on delivering exceptional service, as word-of-mouth referrals are powerful in the catering industry. As your reputation grows, expand your services to larger events like weddings or corporate meetings. Gradual scaling ensures you can manage increasing demand without compromising quality or customer satisfaction. Step 9. Excellent customer service culture. Word-of-mouth referrals are powerful in the catering business. Always deliver on time, ensure your food is top-notch, and follow up with clients for feedback. Satisfied customers will become regular clients. Happy clients mean repeat business and glowing referrals. Always be courteous and professional, responding promptly to inquiries and feedback. For instance, if a client praises your meals, use their testimonial on your social media pages. During events, ensure timely delivery and a visually appealing setup. Follow up with clients after events to thank them and ask for feedback. Exceptional customer service is a hallmark of successful event catering businesses. Step 10. Professional presentation. Professional presentation sets the tone for how clients perceive your catering business. Your appearance, as well as that of your staff, should reflect the quality and professionalism of your services. Branded apparel, such as aprons, caps, and uniforms bearing your logo, creates a strong first impression and distinguishes your team at events. For instance, if you're catering for a corporate event, it will make a lasting impact when your team is dressed uniformly in branded attire, showing clients that you take your business seriously. Branded clothing also promotes your business. Your logo and contact details on uniforms act as mobile advertisements, especially at events with large crowds, like weddings or birthdays. When guests notice your team's polished look, they're more likely to remember and recommend your services. Additionally, professional presentation extends to how you serve and display your food. Invest in elegant serving dishes, tablecloths, and food warmers that align with the theme of the event. Ensure your staff is trained in proper serving etiquette, such as arranging plates neatly and being attentive to guests. These details enhance the overall dining experience, leaving clients and their guests impressed. By following these 10 simple steps to starting your event catering business, you can confidently start and grow a profitable event catering business. With dedication, hard work, and consistency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on running a successful food business.